Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on silver idioms. And since I did a video on gold idioms, I figured I'd do one on silver. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. Silver is also used to describe many things. It can also be used as a way to indicate that someone is spoiled or has had things handed to them, which is where phrases like silver spoon come from. Keep reading for more silver quotes and see how you can use them in your everyday life. Silver spoon, to be born into a wealthy family. Silver lining, the potential for something positive or beneficial to result from a negative situation. Often used in the phrase, every cloud has a silver lining. A silver lining on a cloud is an indication that the sun is behind it. Silver tongue, debating skills that are particularly expressive, clever, seductive, and/or persuasive. Silver surfer, an elderly person who uses the internet all the time. Silver bullet, something that provides an immediate and extremely effective solution to a given problem or difficulty, especially one that is normally very complex or hard to solve. The phrase is almost always used in a statement that such a solution does not exist. The silver screen, movies or the movie industry together. The phrase originally referred to a type of movie screen. So for the bonus activity, I'm just going to have you copy the sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct silver idiom shown below. So here are the 6 silver idioms that I just went over, and I've got these sentences here, and you're going to fill in the blank with the correct silver idiom. I'll make sure I have the answer key in the description down below. So I figured I'd do another idioms video, and again, I did gold, so I wanted to follow that up with silver. So that'll do it for today's video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.